Okay, so first up is going to be me and Lucy. Okay, you ready, Lucy? Okay, ready? Go!
Good evening, everyone. Today we're going to make you smile. We'll even make you laugh.
Well, we hope so. We've got lots of jokes and we even have some funny pictures too.
Let's start with the jokes. Did you hear about a restaurant on the moon?
Good food, no atmosphere. I like that one. I also have a joke. What do you get when an almond dies?
A diamond. And I'll show you my funny picture. My funny picture is of blackbirds flying in the sky. They look like a smiling face.
They really do, they really do. And this is my funny picture. It's of a dog cooking in the kitchen.
Look at its apron. That's hilarious. We hope we made you smile.
Thank you for listening. Woo. Okay, well done, that was perfect. Good job.